Hi there, the 11th vibe. I thought that we were going to play around a little bit with Codex MCP support today. So, first of all, just start Codex so we can talk to it. Please write a config some snippet or Codex to connect to another Codex as an MCP. This is in order for a codex session to be able to connect to another codex session as a service. It has to configure it in the codex configuration file. I haven't tried this before, so I thought I will let Codex tell me how to configure Codex to talk to Codex. Yeah, it's pretty simple. I will just use this. Okay, there's some spaces there. So the codex config file is in the home directory. Oh, sorry. .codex. Like this, I guess. And of course, I actually have to restart the codex session. Yeah. And this should be it, I guess. Talk to the Codex MCP server and ask it to start a dialogue with a flow with the MCP client and maintain a dialogue for at least 10 round trips and show me it. Speak about the weather in just yeah. So actually this might just seem like a fun thing to connect to codex sessions to each other, but it's actually useful because now you can make a team of experts. So you can tell one team member to be a planner, and you can have several team members doing coding, and another team member to review code, etc. And they can have different instructions and different contexts as well. I wonder if I can actually make something useful. Maybe if I might create a team of 3 codex agents, MCP. First one is a planner, which will give instruction to the other two MCP servers. One is a front-end coder, knows JS. The other is a backend, only codes in Rust coder. Maintain a discussion between them and ask the planner to plan a to-do application and give the other agents assignments. The planner then decides to hand out more assignments or call it a day if he thinks we are done. The app should be minimal, but store the to-dos in a simple text database and provide a web user interface. Now start. Interesting. It seems it is running this in serial instead of in parallel, but at least it's ongoing. Okay, it says now it will spin up 3 MCP sessions. Wonder if it does that or if it just says so. This is not going the way I planned it. It seems it stopped using the MCP agents. Might just be so that I will have to revisit this another day, because now it actually tries to, well, not. Well, I shouldn't say too much. Just I will see how it solves it. Actually, maybe I was just misinterpreting things. At least it seems by this text that it was the actual agents that did the code, but it's only the front codex that deals with writing to the file system, it seems. So it says it's ready. We should really try this. Maybe it's done. Can't be reached. You need to run it in the background, I think. So we'll try again. No, it's not running. Okay, check that it listens on the port you stated. Oh, now! Why? Oh, it had some startup. Build a day worth finishing. Add a new task. Finish the daily vibe video by running the silence compactor. Cool. Well, it was interesting, and we should dive more into doing stuff in this way. It felt slower than the usual vibe way, but I think it can gain a lot of quality by using specialized agents. Anyway, I have to stop for today. Bye bye.